Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. That's right, here we are. We was on Netflix, NFLX. Now it had earnings last night and just was booming today. And here it was at pre-market and just ran right up here. And then it started to pull back. Now let's move ahead and see what happened next. It started to form what we call a bull flag. See how it fell down? It came down to here and bull flag. So I set up a trade here just above it when it broke that line of resistance there. I wanted to get long and it did, and boom, I'm in at 274.59, 274.59. I am in long here on Netflix. And then I started to, I had a 1% attached stop here. I was moving it up here as it popped up, pulled back down, and then rose back up again and started to base up here at the 178 area. So again, I brought my stop. I'm in the money here right now, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take out half here. My rule is if it sits there for, these are 1 minute candles by the way, if it's there for 3 minutes or more, I'm going to sit there. I'm going to take out half. That's how you let your winners run. Let the second half run. So I took out half here at 277.94 for 1.1% on the first half, and then I'm going to reset my stop here, bringing my stop up just under this 176 area, just under 176. Come on, pull back. There he goes. 176 area is where I'm going to put my stop, which is where it hit what area of resistance it was before. So it's a possible area of support for it to bounce back up. So let's see what happened next here. And then as it was just still basing up here, it finally broke down and tagged that 50 moving average, 50, and then it continued on for a while. And then when I ended up moving my stop up here just under that 50 moving average. And then right here on this candle, it broke below that 50 moving average and stopped me out at 276.41. 276.41 was my fill on the second half for 0.5%. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. Netflix had run up here, even though it was already up. It was up about 15-16% at this point. It did a pullback with the rest of the market, and then it reversed, broke out from this bull flag, and then it was high basing up here. And then when it finally failed and dropped below that 50 moving average, it got me out. So this total trade was for 0.8% in 39 minutes. All right, not a huge money maker, but it followed all of my rules. Breakout and breakdowns from trading patterns, managing the trade from there, and when it stalled I took out half, and then I just managed my stop, keeping it under relative lines of support and resistance, and then when it finally broke the 50 moving average, I was out. And look at that, it just continued to go sideways from that point forward. So if you like to trade with us, you can. If you're available in front of the markets when the market opens from 9:30 to about 11:30 is when we trade in the GrokGrad trading room. Now, these are people who've been trading the market, some of them for as many as 10 years along with me. I've had 13 years experience trading, day trading experience, and I'm there to coach people once in a while. Most days I'm there, and if you'd like to know more about that, you can go to groktrade.com, and you can try it out. 6 weeks free of charge. That's right, free of charge. Go up here, it says training mentor, algos, and then right here, GrokGrad trading room. Again, it's run by the graduates of our mentoring program, but you can come see what did they learn, and we're sharing stuff all the time as to how we can trade the markets responsibly and consistently. And so right down here, we open at about 9 o'clock Eastern time. This is New York time, Eastern time. So we have people from 6 different time zones trading with us. So we always talk about New York time, what the market time is. And we start to set up the day as to what ones we're going to look at. And then we end up by 11:30ish, then we're leaving the room and just trade for about the first 2 hours of the market. And if you'd like to join us, you can. Again, 6-week free trial. Just put your name and information here and hit submit. Hey, for referral name, hey, put Mark the Meerkat, then you'll know that you get really extra special treatment. Not really, but I'll be there to greet you most days. All right. And so what do? Is we look at what's moving in the market that day, and then we call out trading setups that we see. People are posting the trades that they're making, and you can also be there and you can ask questions. We're willing to share just about anything. But you can see what our graduates of our mentoring program actually are doing and how they're applying that to the markets live. Hey, this is Mark Meerkat. You have a great day trading. Hey, just remember that this is not rocket surgery. You need to have a systematic approach to trading the markets and rules to follow and test. And then once you can be more consistent trader, trade well and may your winners run.